back to the channel, and today we are doing a little project. So welcome back. I got enough stone. Do I have pickaxes? No, I don't. So some things have happened back to on. So this is episode 7, maybe 8. So some things has changes while on camera, off camera. I mean, for example, we have expanded our food area, and we have a bunch of rainbow sheep. So this is where I'm getting all the color of the beds from these guys. They have no food. No. And yeah. We do have a lot of area so the guys can come back, I think. Sorry. I might not sound good because of my nose. It's that time of season for me. Getting a red nose. Wait, were the sticks in here? No. Here's the sticks and here's a diamond. Let's make a diamond pickaxe. Diamonds go back. Sticks go in there. Oh man. This is pretty bad for me right now. Just want to make sure the weather is clear. Yep, okay. So today we are expanding the bed area. So I changed the bed area, as you noticed. I changed it into this now. But now we have to make more beds. And I don't have a shovel. Shit. You know what, fuck it. I'm just gonna mine without the shovel. Nah, never mind, I'm changing my mind. I'll gain the shovel. Oh, hi, So yeah, actually I bought all the villagers. There were about 8 villagers in that one village. So I bought them all here with me. You see this? No, let's just feed it to one of the chickens. So yeah, so let's start working. Villagers all going to bed. Look at that, that's actually kind of cool. That is an open door file. But not because all of them have beds. See? Get away, dude. I said get out of the fucking way. Oh my god. Get out! Fucking Christ. I know there's some open beds over here. There's one open bed. There's another. Come over here. Man, this is not a good mood for me today. And I don't even have food. Fuck. I need to do something for this pickaxe. Let's see. That's a big coal mine. There was a big coal, whatever it's called, coal plot. Yeah, let's just call it a coal plot. Shit. Oh well. And let's see. I don't know what would be our subject today. Uh, yeah. So I have now decided to change my schedule to record 2 videos of 1 video of each day, only on the weekends. So if I have a weekend of like a 4-day weekend, well, you're lucky. You can have 4 videos then. But yeah, the reason why, because I wanted um to be more efficient. Since like last time I haven't recorded in like a week or two, and I decided to make 2 videos almost on the same day. Let's see. It's a lot of dirt over here. Wait, did this kill me? So let's do these real quick. Let's see. So, how wide was this thing? And I realized is I don't have torches. Shoot. I have lanterns, but I don't have torches. Let's see. Come on, get up. I swear I had torches at some point. Did I? Let's see. What chest did I put them in? Here we go. Oh yeah, that's right. I might as well put them in a area. Oh yeah. Ugh. Sorry, I'm not talking much as always. I'm not used to talking to myself. What? Thank you. That was odd. Skeleton shooting through my door. So far, this bunker idea is quite a good idea. Hey, come on, oh, shut the door. Oh, hey guys. Come on, break already. I'll break that open later. So yeah, I don't know what else to do. I'm still making this game. Man, I'm definitely like that silent type. I have no one else to play with, so like this is just me playing by myself, being bored. So like I see myself never being as a solo type. Never. I'll probably never be the solo type, be honest. Hmm. I don't know. Be honest, I don't have any friends that can play right now. Now there's just gonna be some people out there. I'll admit it right now, I have no guy friends. I think I said this before, but I haven't. Oh wait, why am I doing that? I have no guy friends. All my friends are females. And to be honest, I don't think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna say anymore. Hey, baby dude, what's up? Thank you. Wait, why am I keep doing that shit? I gotta stop doing that. I keep doing that because it's right there in the inventory. There we go. Oh, it finally broke. To the next patch of beds. Weird colors. I know. So let's see. Well, we know this is getting mined. Because this is being built there. And it's gonna be placed there. Man. Like, no wonder why I don't get that many subscribers. I only think I have like maybe 3, 4, I don't know. For some reason, I think I have 5. Yeah, that's still low. Only 5 people follow me. While on Instagram, I have like 100, like almost 100. On Instagram, I used to have 69, but now I'm over 69. Comedy. I have reached the dirty joke. 69. Yeah, no. I wish I can just do something that's way more entertaining, but I can't. And that's probably why I'm not being recommended on YouTube. So, yeah. And I might decide to make this as a 2 hour, a 2 hour long video, maybe. Just because I want to make it feel like I did a live stream. Nah, I'll probably just make this into another hour. Man. Let's see. I just hope my computing setup gets working. Because once it's set up, I'm just gonna do a lot more videos on it. Because I know one computer works, but it needs like internet, and it needs my Xbox so I can play games, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing anyways. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you guys hearing the cracking or the popping on my side, but that's just me cracking my neck. Like cracking my neck or popping my neck. I know not everyone's gonna like it. Some people hate that sound, people love it. To me, it's a good feeling. Man, this is just so bad. This was a bad day of recording. Once I do this, I'm gonna probably do something interesting. Okay, let's do something interesting. But first, just break this down. Hey, we got Wanding Trader today. How exciting. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm gonna do something interesting. I better do anything interesting anyways. Because it's empty chest, I'm putting all the beds in here. Let's just put all the stone in here. That sounds annoying. Guess it is annoying. Jesus Christ, guys. I think about it. Can I craft an anvil? Probably should do that. Yeah, let's craft an anvil. And let's put it there. In my case, now I'm just gonna put all of these together. Wait, do I have a sword? No, I don't. And I'm carrying iron. Let's go. Hey, come on, jump up. There we go. Oh, hi. Oh, it's daytime. Well, shoot. So, which direction did I start from the beginning? So, let's go exploring, I guess. I don't have any food on me, but I know there's a village full of food, so we're going there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to the village full of food. We're off to go to a village, to a village. I hope this is not copyright. I don't think so. I hope this is not a village, a village. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, come on. Where the fuck am I? Oh no. I know what those things are. No, fuck it. I don't have food. Ooh. I shouldn't have done that. Where's that fucking village? Come on. I hear them, but I don't see them. Okay, so they attacked me. Did I fall in a hole? Stop falling in this fucking hole. I need to stop falling in this. Die, you fucker. Where are you? Where the fuck are you? I hate it when it's snowing. Damn it! I'm falling in this fucking hole. I just love falling in holes. Screw you! Die! Fuck you! Oh my... Damn! No, I just love falling in holes, apparently. It's my favorite thing to do. I love being in that hole. There we go. Come on, there's gotta be a way for me to go. Oh my god, so many fucking skeletons. I'm gonna die by starvation. And I can't see a fucking phantom, so I'm gonna die. I should have bought food. I'm gonna die because I can't find a fucking village. I guess just run. Damn it. You guys spawn right there. Die. 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 You got leather armor. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I hate this. Man, why did I make it so hard on myself? The only thing I'm getting attacked from is strays. You gotta be kidding me. Is that another portal? I can't even run. Oh my god. Please be active. No, you're not active. Golden armor. I'm dying. Loot. Well, I'm taking this shit. It's gold, so it's useless. I know that. But it's for some reason enchanted. Probably for the pigments. This gotta be a safe place for me. I'm gonna die by starvation. I'm getting killed. Thank God I have diamond armor so I can take the hits. But I haven't found shit. I'm lost. Oh my god. I'm taking my last moments as a dying hero. As I'm gonna put this on my gravestone. At least died for trying. Maybe I can go in the water. Damn. Can I even swim? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Slowly. Thank God I gotta keep inventory on. But I'm gonna die as a bitch boy. And where are you fuckers? There you are. Come here. I'm killing you. Come here. I'm dying to kill you. Where are you? I don't know if I got anything out of that. Doesn't matter, we gotta keep on moving. You're kidding me, there's a skeleton here all along. Gotta keep on running. I had 3 hearts now. Is that an igloo? That's an igloo. Why is this here? Is there like a weird drop? What's under this? That's right, these things are rare in the... Are these things like rare? I think these things are rare. Um, oh, I can sleep. Okay, so what's under this? What the fuck is this? Did I just find a rare? Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. I found a villager. Oh my god. A potion of weakness. Oh! Is this telling me like turn the zombie villager into a villager? Oh, that's gonna be so cool. I did not know this thing existed. Holy shit. That's cool. So, I want to put it back as it was. I don't know. But that's just quite cool now. Wait, no. I'm gonna make that as my screensaver. I just found. Wait. What was it? Video, yeah. I just found a thumbnail. Come on. I'm gonna make one of those thumbnails. Secret in Igloo. Because I did not know these things existed. I have been playing Minecraft all my life. And I did not know these things existed. This must be like a rare thing in this mob. But yeah, okay. So let's do this. Settings, video, and then, yeah, okay, there we go. So this is gonna be my thumbnail. I'm gonna make a thumbnail that have those two screens. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna try to kill myself. It was nice knowing you. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna die by hunger. And I'm gonna just shoot myself. That's right, I'm wearing armor. Okay, there we go. Damn it, I spawned here. So I'll go back to that to cure to cure that one zombie and to get that zombie villager. So what was it to cure a zombie villager again? A potion of weakness, and was it a golden apple? I think so. Actually, yeah, let's just do that. Because we had the golden apple, and then the potion of weakness is there. Am I correct? Am I correct? It's a potion of weakness and a golden apple. It has to be, right? Even if I mess it up, I'm just gonna redo it anyways. I don't care anyways. Even if I mess it up, I'm going back and creative and redoing it again. Okay, so it's potion of weakness. I'm gonna break this bar. And this is gonna take a long time, actually. I hope this is correct. A potion of weakness and a golden apple to cure a zombie villager. And okay. Cure. Yes, it was that. Okay, good. And let's open you. I think it's gonna take a while, but yes. Wait. Yeah, we can see it while it's happening. Guys, I hope this is correct. It seems like it's correct because it's happening. And villagers only fight, so it's alright for it to have weakness because they're already weak. So I wonder why this is created. Ooh, MapPat, video idea. Why does this exist? Why does this room exist? Probably just tell us that this would happen, but this would be a great video idea for MapPat. This would be a great idea for MapPat to make a theory about this, like about the rooms, like the temple. So MapPat already made a theory video about the filters, not really about the filters. He did actually, but like the mines and the boats and that one temple, but he never made it about this. Oh, hi. Okay. Well, that just happened, and I'll come back one day to get you guys. I probably will. Okay. Now let's get back to it. But that is the first time I ever seen that. So that must be rare or something. Cause I guess I never explored a snowy biome. Like, I have been playing for Minecraft about 8 years. No, 9, 10. 10 years. 9 or 10. Yes, I had played Minecraft that fucking long. And I'm surprised that there are some things I haven't even seen yet. Like, I haven't seen that. Never. So I'm actually quite shocked that I'm able to find that. Like, I was able to get the same world seed 3 times, twice. And yet I was not able to find that. I still haven't found I haven't even found the rarest thing, and yet I'm not. That's the first time saying that. Like, I have seen almost every rare thing except for the diamond zombie and that. Like, I didn't know. I know that's has to be rare. I have never seen it. Like, man, that's quite rare, actually. Like, I don't know if that's rare or not, but I don't know if that's rare. But I have seen igloos before, but I haven't seen an igloo that leads down to a place like that. I'm stuck. So yeah, I don't know where I'm heading now. I was said I lost, and I found a igloo by random. Oh, I'm here. I'm home because you can tell by all the snow. That's quite shocking that all of this doesn't get snow. This doesn't get stacked up like that. Oh, we could do now, bitch. I kill hundreds of you guys. Come on, come on, keep on attacking me. You failed to kill me. You failed to kill me. I guess I'm just gonna go back in here. I have no. I have nothing else to do. But yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna end the video here today. Why? Because just by saying that, I'm ending the video here now. That was something cool. Yeah. This is not gonna be out on. Subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. See you later.